everyone, it's again lovely, and thank you so much for watching. Today's video we'll be talking about how we should earn money just for free here in Ghana. A lot of people have been starving themselves. And just this cry, now yet them. And just this is too very difficult for them to have. So today I'll be putting some details on here. So if you know you are new on my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button, click on it, subscribe, like, comment any question that you wanted to ask me, comment it on the comment section because I'll be very expecting that. Yes, so if you know you are interested in my video, I'll put my WhatsApp link here on the description. The WhatsApp link on the description will be displaying on how you will click on the link and come and chat to me on the WhatsApp. I've created a group that I'll be teaching people on how to do that just for free. No bilibili, no balabala. So we will not waste any time. Let's head out to the video and show you the step by step. But definitely be aware that you only deposit 10 cedis. 10 cedis, and you can even withdraw 20 cedis just for free. Yes, and the reason why I said I need people to come to my WhatsApp is we'll be doing groups that everyone will bring their link on the WhatsApp group. Okay, so like everyone will bring their link on the WhatsApp group. If the person bring their link on the WhatsApp group, we will all go and click on the link so that the person can be paid 100 cedis in a day. So in a day we'll pick 5 people who are ready, and the following day we pick 5 people who are ready. So if you know you are interested, watch this video to the end, and thank you so much because you will not see this face again to the end. Thank you. So if you are not you are my return subscriber, thank you so much. I love you too. Thank you. Please don't hesitate to click on the link and let's connect and let's cash out together here in Ghana. Okay, so now we are in the surface of this website, and now you can see what is going on here. It's very cool. There are games all over, so you play your game, any game that you want to play, you play. And you see it's 4 cedis, so you bet for the 4 cedis and you spin. We click on the spin. Obviously we want some money. Yeah, that's it. It's very easy. Very easy to win here. The more you spin, the more you earn. You can earn more than 50 cedis. You see, you want 2 cedis. It's more. This is a favorite game I love to play, and it's very good. It's very good here. Yeah, you can see I just want 20 cedis. It's cool. And we go to the earning site where you earn 100 cedis. You can see here our 100 cedis is here, but it's not that complete. It's 97 cedis, so we need at least 3 sign-in people to sign in so that I can withdraw my 100 cedis. That's how it is. So this one is very cool, nice. So the group that we are using it to do is, it will definitely help us to withdraw our money. In a day, more than 200 cedis in a day. Say more joining me group now.